Hello and welcome to my research presentation. My name is Alex Wooster and I'm a senior here at Utah State University from the College of Science in the Department of Biology. I did a research project on the sensitivity and specificity of sex for detecting differences in the kinetics of depth jumps performed by NCAA athletes. The reason that I did this research was it piqued my interest while in Dr. Louder's kinesiology class, and he was kind enough to mentor and help me to complete this project. I am also a human biology major and a sports fanatic, and this project allowed me to combine the two passions that I have, sports and the human body. One of the reasons that we did this project was because females are observed to perform the depth jump with a greater score on the landing error scoring system, and with kinematics that are commonly associated with a greater risk for ACL injury when compared to males. To the best of our knowledge, there has not been a comprehensive study on the effects of sex on landing kinetics of depth jumping. To complete this project, we had 9 males and 11 female NCAA Division I student athletes perform depth jumps from heights of 0.51 meters, 0.66 meters, and 0.81 meters. The following dependent measures were estimated from the vertical ground reaction force data using an in-ground triaxial force platform. The variables are peak force, which is in newtons, rate force development in newtons per second, reactive strength index meters per second, jump height in meters, ground contact time in seconds, and peak force reduction in newtons. The sensitivity and specificity of dependent measures to sex was evaluated using receiver operating character curve analysis, or an ROC curve analysis. There was significant area under the curve for a jump height from a height of 0.81 meters, but no other variable had significant area under the curve. An acceptable value, though, for an area under the curve is considered 0.7 and above, and multiple variables approach this value, such as the jump heights of 0.51 meters and 0.66 meters, as well as ground contact time from 0.66 meters and 0.81 meters. While these were not significant, they were still approaching an acceptable value. To continue this project, I would need a larger sample size in order to detect greater sensitivity for the variables to sex. I would take a look at jump height of 0.51 meters, jump height of 0.66 meters, then also look at the ground contact time of 0.66 meters and ground contact time of 0.81 meters. I would probably bring in a couple more other variables just to check and make sure with the larger sample size that they wouldn't get different numbers. And I would also definitely include the jump height of 0.81 meters. The center table in the middle of the poster will also show you the mean and the standard deviations for each one of the variables done by the males and the females. Thank you for listening to my presentation. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, my contact information is in the bottom right corner of the poster board. Thank you.